Mama risky. I'm paying attention. Wait, no. Hold on. No, that's the person that was just saying. I'm an idiot. Let me. Where is your Discord? How do I find your Discord? Okay, just a second. Oh, hold on now. Hold on. I was scanning your chat and I missed it. Now I found it. Okay, there we go. I'm trying to give the people what they want. Alright, now where are you? I don't know why I'm... Let me hide in this bush real fast. Yeah, I'm not... Let me disconnect from the Discord and we'll just chit-chat and I'll just try and do my best to fill everyone in what's going on. It's just a setting thing that I don't... Yeah, I can hear you. I just don't honestly want to do it right now. Way to go. Good eye. Yeah, okay, I'm taking that. If you don't take it, jeez. You're so nice. I need to add that sound. And then I need to add those sounds that Steel gave for Fuyo. That was a little off, but oh, that's a bot. I thought it was a guy. If Payne, you can hear me at the moment, could you kindly either in the chat or if this would be a lot easier if I actually played on my computer actually. No, I'm playing on the Xbox. This would be all fixed. This would be really easy if it was just like that. And that, I've been realizing that because I've been playing on the Xbox with a lot of people, and you know, having the headset and then having the... Oh, nice. Stream Mario Kart, nice. Set everything up. Let me try it. Alright, Z, go ahead and say some words. Can anyone hear Z by chance? If you guys can't hear him, I'll need a little more time to figure it out. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, nothing on your end. Okay, I'm gonna worry about it later. Go. Over there, in the air. Yeah. Come on. Ah, fuck! I'm juicing. He's gonna take that shot. Oh, thanks. Right at me. Doing good, Zed. It's nice to see you. By the time I usually stream, you're like either busy or asleep, so... Wow, okay. Sorry, Z, I wasn't paying attention. Let's go.
We're good. Oh, good. Wait, how did you take over the wheel, Rude?
Because you crashed like a crazy person into a rock.
Basically what I'm saying is, with the audio on the PC, everything would just be nothing but smooth sailing. Zed, what up, buddy? Oh, you did hear him barely. Okay. Okay, that's just an audio. Oh my god! Don't make me do stuff. Yeah, I'll figure out that bot. I don't think so. Get over here! Trying to make me work. Are we good? Wait. What's that? What's that? What do we mean? Okay, cool. I don't know. I thought I saw something about white bread.
4, 5, 6.
No, for all of the giveaway stuff. Hold on, let me check. Oh. I'm trying to check my settings to see if I can make it. Let me try and hide. There we go. Desktop audio, huh? F you, pal. Miss Gaming! Hey. Everyone's all here. Woo! Oh, and now that you're here, Miss Gaming, I can also give you the heads up that the knight in shining armor that came to save us is actually Payne. He's the guy that helped fix up that logo for you. Oh, no! I'm too busy talking. Whoa. Oh shit, we were actually that far? Wow. Hold on, my settings all got broken. Let me fix them. When I tried doing my, there we go. That kind of scared me, that shout out. Yeah, you take a second. Don't ready up quite yet. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know if it created a echo or loud noise. I think we're. Yeah, okay, I guess I'll do a sound check. I got you, Zed. Can you hear me? Just let me know if you guys can hear me. Zed, I know you can hear me. Sound check, 1, 2. Oh, okay, alright. You got it, Zed. Let me, mother effer. I owe him some push-ups. I swear, this guy's always trying. It's good to see you, buddy. I've been lurking on your streams. Sorry I haven't said anything. Oh, wait for me! Go! Dom, hurry up! It's all about family. Payne, if you ever get the chance, definitely watch some of Zed's streams. If you don't mind, could you give Zed a shout out? That would be fantastic. If you are busy, don't worry. I will. Damn, I suck. Loves Gundam? Right now, I cannot use the Discord chat at the moment. Oh, he does? So are you, like, giving it to him or something? Yeah. Okay, good. I was just waiting to make sure I got paid because the shipping's gonna cost a couple $100. Desktop audio is all the way up. Yeah, it's being captured. I'm trying to capture your voice so everyone knows what you're saying, so and basically hear our bullshitting. I do have an idea. It might make the audio. I hear you. Don't switch. Discord, give me the name for the website or whatever for the voice commands and shoutouts. That'd be awesome. Oh, you'll tell me what to do with everything, Trucker? Okay. You tell me what to do, and I'll do it. You can only hear me. I don't know how to set that up. Isn't there a way I can, in the settings, Z, set it so everyone can hear you talking? Way to go, Pain. I think if you want Z to make everybody understand what we're talking about, so I don't just sound like a madman, I could join a voice chat with you. Do you have a Discord or? Okay. Hold on now. Hold on. Do. Is it the most straight now? Yeah. Payne is the one who helped me figure it out because I was struggling with it. So I'm like, look here, see? I don't know why that shout out came out through the computer. Okay. Voice and audio. Let's see if this works. I might not be able to hear my audio commands because I didn't set. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, I'm the doctor. You will be always white rice. That day when you were talking about that, yeah, you definitely earned that one. Trucker in the chat. Who